Pip. Alright, so it's the day before rifle season here in Pennsylvania. I'm out here doing some scout on some state ground. Just looking for buck sign and places to do drives later. I think tomorrow I'm planning on going up by the house, but I have the whole first week off from work, so I'll probably find myself out on some state ground trying to find some new spots. Maybe still hunt and see what I can find. It's supposed to be really chilly tomorrow. It's supposed to be pretty windy. So the real feel's supposed to be around 7 when I get up in the morning, so we'll see if anything's moving around. So if I see anything, I'll see it next on the camera. But if not, see you tomorrow. Alright, so it's the first day of rifle season. As you probably saw, I had those 2 little bucks and the 2 does come in earlier. Probably could have shot one of the does, but I'm going to wait a little bit to shoot a doe. So, it's a good morning. It's been a good bit of shooting. It's nice and cold, so I'm hopeful we'll have a good hunt today. So, we'll see what happens. The sun's coming up, and this is the sunny side of the ridge, so I'm hoping that deer are going to come over and try to bed on this warm side, because it's a pretty chilly morning out, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, well, it's 2 o'clock. It's been really quiet. I haven't even heard any shots in a while, so we'll see. Hopefully people went in for lunch. Now they're going to come back out and push deer around when they get set up for the evening sit, but yeah, we'll see. Hopefully they get something moving, because it's been really quiet. It's been a really slow day, but hey, you'll have that sometimes. Alright, so second day of rifle season. This is the first Sunday. It's the only Sunday we're allowed to hunt rifle season here in PA. I just got up to camp, got my stuff dropped off, and went for a walk. I saw there's a bunch of sign down here below camp, so I wasn't planning on hunting tonight, but I'm just going to run out here and sit for a good 2.5 hours till it gets dark. We'll see what we see. So, yeah, it's a beautiful day to sit. I'm kind of excited just to sit in the woods. Alright, everybody's pulling out of camp. It's bright and early in the morning. We're all heading to different spots. We got a spot on state ground that I'm going to. It's on top of a mountain, kind of in the saddle. I think hunters will come up and bump deer up to me. It's above a pretty popular hunting access, so pretty excited. I'm gonna go in the backside and come up. But yeah, time to get out there. All right, we're off. Bip. Bip. Man, well, 2 deer down. Got that doe and I got that nice buck. So moved over here about an hour and a half ago after I saw this first deer come through. And I was just sitting here. All of a sudden I saw a doe start coming up. So I came up, shot her. And the next thing I know, there comes a buck up too. It's a pretty nice one. Just shoot him too. Let's go, baby. Alright, got my stuff loaded up. Let's come look at these deer. See the doe I shot. She went up the mountain a couple yards and then just came tumbling back down. Wish she would have just stayed up there because I'm going to have to drag her up now, but yeah. Pretty nice sized doe, looks like. I'm about right up on her. Right there. Let me get up here and leave my stuff here. I'm going to go try to find the buck. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. Pretty nice doe. Entry hole is going to be on the other side. They're out perfect. She mule kicked, so must have hit her in the lungs. But I'm going to drop my stuff off. Go look for this buck. Okay, I'm going to head up and try to find this buck. There's blood coming up here, but I don't know if that's where I shot the doe originally or the buck. There's more blood here, but that could have been where the doe came down at. Just walk up here, follow the blood, and he's dumped. Oh, there he is, right up there. There he's laying. Looks like a pretty nice buck. Dude, that is a stinking nice buck. Hold it. Dude, hold it. That is a stinking nice one. Oh, man. Oh. Dude. Alright, just took my stuff out to the truck. I got the dragging crew here. We're going to go up and get them back to the trucks. See, it's about 400 yards straight down over through some laurel. It shouldn't be too bad of a drag, but yeah, I think once we get them to the top of the mountain, we'll just hoof them down over and put them in the trucks and we'll be good to go. So yeah. Alright, so got them up to the top of the mountain. So it wasn't easy to get them up here, but now the easiest part is just take it down over the mountain. There's some laurel, we'll just go crashing through, but I think we got the majority of the hard part out. Just get them down to the truck, chuck them in, and be good to go. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this hunt. I finished editing it. I'm just filming this little outro. Yeah, I'm still not sure why that buck came in. If any of you guys think you know, I'm guessing that the buck or the doe was cycling back in heat or something, and that's why the buck wasn't spooked when I shot. He was just thinking about the doe. But if any of you guys have any other ideas on why the buck came up after I shot that first doe, let me know. It's also kind of surprised that second buck stayed there too after I shot twice, but I'm guessing maybe he was just smelling the hot doe and he just wasn't spooked. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.